Hey guys! Welcome back! So today, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different for me, a little bit more fun. Kung nakikita nyo, may pa-turtleneck tayo today kasi we're gonna be recreating this look from Heart Evangelista. So nakita ko to a few weeks ago or last week ba? And I feel like it's the perfect na look to recreate kasi it's very glowy, skin-centered, and then may konting bam yung eyes. So, lang, parang ang ganda lang i-recreate. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And if you're interested to go with me in this journey of recreating this look, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, follow all my social media channels, and now let's go to the video. So, itong primer na to, it has parang a sheen. Pero very subtle lang naman. It gives the healthy glow na gusto natin ma-achieve. Ayan o, meron na agad. For foundation, we're gonna be using the Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Nakikita ko na ginagamit to ni Heart sa IG niya tsaka sa YouTube niya. So, yun yung gagamitin natin. I'm just taking very minimal amount as usual. Hindi naman kasi talaga ako mahilig maglagay ng maraming foundation. Gusto ko lang siya for evening the skin tone, tsaka for giving a little coverage. Gusto ko pa rin na nakikita yung skin ko through the foundation. Tapos, we're gonna be color correcting our under eyes with the Charlotte Tilbury na Magic Vanish Color Corrector in medium. Ayan, gas na yung component ko. If napanood nyo na yung videos ko before, alam nyo na I put very minimal amount of this also. It's not to cover, just to correct a little. As usual, we're gonna be concealing our under eyes and blemishes with the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Again, minimal amount lang. Tapos, gagamitin na rin natin siya pang prime ng eyes. We're just using a sponge para i-take out yung any excess product. Then, we're using the Hourglass Mineral Veil Translucent Setting Powder to set our whole face. Again, konti lang. Hindi masyadong madami yung powder. Ngayon, it's the most exciting part. We're gonna be doing the eyes and I'm gonna be using the Natasha Denona na Biba palette. Siyempre, Heart Evangelista to. Hindi tayo magpapatalo. Gagamitin natin yung medyo luxury items na meron tayo. So, I'll take the freckle shade. Tapos, lalagay natin siya all over the crease and all over the lids. Tapos, we're taking a very tiny amount of the cocoa shade. Tapos, ilalagay natin siya sa outer corners and sa crease. I-deepen natin yung crease natin. Now, we're gonna take the seed shade, tas gagawin natin siyang smudged na eyeliner. Tapos, dinala niya yon hanggang sa inner lash line. Tapos, one thing na napansin ko, if makikita niyo yung picture, I'll put it here para may reference kayo. Yung mata niya, it has also the shadow here. Parang medyo foxy eye. So, meron nung sa loob, yung sa inner corner. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Lalagyan natin yan. First time ko yun gagawin. And sobrang hindi kasi siya tugma sa eyes ko. Kasi yung lids ko, parang nag-overlap dito sa may inner corner. So, hindi ako sure kung paano ko yun gagawin. But we're gonna try it. And then, itong inner corner na to, meron din. Ito yung sinasabi ko, looking straight, okay siya. 'Di ba? Pero pag pumikit ako, nakikita niyo yan? Parang napupunta doon yung line. Pero okay lang. Pag straight naman, okay lang eh. 'Di ba? So, straight lang ako lagi. Hindi ako gaganto. Ganto lang. Parang ano ang 60s, ang 70s ng itsura. I like it. Yan. Parang ganyan naman yung itsura. Ganyan ba? Tapos napansin ko, meron parang highlight sa gitna ng lower lash line niya. So, lalagyan natin nun. I'll be taking the Monroe shade. Yan. So, those are the eyes na. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then put on mascara and then put on false lashes. I'm gonna be using yung L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Tapos for my lashes, Gladking Mink Lashes in the style 12. Hindi ko sure, pero yun yung pagkakaalala ko. So, I'll do that off cam, tas babalik ako. So, eyes are all done. Ngayon, gagawin natin yung eyebrows natin. So, yung eyebrows ni Heart is very harsh. Hindi ako ganyan mag-brows, pero tatry natin siya. So, yung kanya is parang sobrang filled in talaga. And, yon, let's try it. Tempted ako na gawin kung paano ko ginagawa yung brows ko, pero sige, let's try her brows. Ever since talaga napapansin ko na yung brows niya is very plakado talaga. Ganun yung type of brows niya. For any look, actually. So, for this, I'll be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow na pencil along with the Happy Skin na Perfect Brows Long Lasting Liquid Pen. So, i-draw natin yung shape. Tapos, I'm not really making hair-like strokes. Mas fini-fill in ko lang siya. Kasi ganun yung itsura eh. Especially dito sa may dulo. Pagdating dito, lalagyan ko lang ng very light line para makita natin yung shape na gusto natin. And then, i-fill in natin siya na pataas. Dito medyo parang hair-like na yung gagawin natin. Sobrang dark! Di ako sanay. Tapos, we're using the Issy & Co. Brow Refiner in brown para iset yung brows. Tapos, napansin ko na pagdating dito, pababa yung pag-set. Ngayon, titignan lang natin kung saan natin kailangan mag-fill in. I'll be using the Happy Skin Perfect Brows Long Lasting Liquid Pen. So, yung right eye ko, medyo wala namang problema dyan kasi mas makapal yung hair ko dito eh. Dito, meron areas na kailangan i-fill in. So, brows and eyes are done. For bronzer, blush, and highlight, I'll be using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Unlock Palette. Yung face ni Heart, hindi super bronze talaga ng sobra. So, we're just putting very little amount. Pero yung blush niya is very evident. We're mixing these two shades. So, yung isa, yung mas peachy, meron siyang parang glow. So, yun yung ilalagay natin. Tapos, super important part. We're gonna go to highlight. Ito gagamitin natin. And syempre, lalagay natin siya kung saan tayo usually nag-highlight. Here. Tapos, parang nakikita ko umaabot dito. So, yung excess lalagay natin medyo dito sa area na to. Cupid's bow. Konti dito. And then, I don't usually highlight yung center ng forehead ko. Pero sobrang evident dun sa picture na meron siyang highlight dito. It's glowing. So, maglalagay din tayo dun. So, I'm taking a smaller brush lang. The center of her nose, tsaka yung dulo ng nose, meron din. Pero parang sobrang precise nung paglagay. Yan. So, I think that's the look. Ngayon, magli-lips na tayo. For the lips, I'm gonna be using the Happy Skin Lip Mallow Coffee Edition in Cafe au Lait. Ba't ba sabihin yun? Hindi natin siya ifo-full pigment. Tapos, set lang tayo with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Tapos, pa-dry lang natin. There, so that's how I did Heart Evangelista's makeup look in that shoot. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo recreating this look with me. It's very out of my comfort zone. It's not how I would do my makeup, pero maganda naman ata yung kinalabasan. So, yun. So, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, follow all my social media channels, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!